Yoga Studio website templates with Divi. 2 exceptional Yoga Studio website templates using Divi. Featuring 1 premium and 1 free template, let's find the perfect design to uplift your online presence. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Our first template is available in the Divi Marketplace, priced at just $8. Let's explore its features by clicking the live demo. Starting with a stunning hero section, it captures your visitor's attention with serene imagery and a welcoming message, setting the perfect tone for your studio. Next, the About Us section elegantly outlines your yoga studio's story and philosophy, helping to build a connection with potential clients through beautifully presented text and visuals. The Our Classes section is both informative and appealing. It highlights the diverse range of classes on offer, complete with schedules and enticing descriptions to engage your audience. Introducing the Our Team section, where potential clients can meet your talented instructors through captivating portraits and engaging bios, adding a personal touch to your site. Lastly, the blog section features an easy-to-use form, encouraging your clients to stay connected. It's perfectly designed to share news, insights, and yoga tips, maintaining an active community. Now, let's explore a fantastic free template, available once you've downloaded and installed the Divi theme. The hero section here is breathtaking, with calming visuals and a compelling call to action that welcomes clients into the world of yoga. The About Us section, rich with content, tells the story of your studio's journey and values, connecting with clients on a deeper level. Our Classes section is clearly structured, showcasing the variety and benefits of your offerings without overwhelming the reader, encouraging them to join. The Why We Choose section is an excellent addition, detailing the unique benefits of practicing at your studio, fostering confidence and interest in your programs. Lastly, the Our Team section introduces your skilled instructors, enhancing client trust and showcasing the expertise of your yoga studio's community. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.